core training for you today. We're going to call this one pocket walks. Starting with progression 1, start close to the anchor point, come up onto the line, hands by your side. Force them to stay there. Imagine there's glue on your palms. You've glued them to your side. And we're going to walk forward. Breathing really helps here. Focusing on something that's not moving. And moving across the line. Really firing up your core and your side body. Imagine there's a string on the top of your head pulling you up. Make it across the line. If you want to keep playing with it, take this backwards across the line. Either way, hands by the side. That's progression 1. Okay, moving on. Progression 2. Reverse, all the way back to the start. Starting close, coming up. Close to an anchor point, coming up on the line. This time, hands in the back. Be nice to clasp your fingers. Really makes you dedicated at that point. Squeezing the shoulder blades together. Taking your steps. Moving forward. Slight bend in the knee. Looking at something that's not moving. Say it time and time again. It does help. Keep lifting. Lift up. Start finding that twist, lift up. Bend the knees and take a step. Again, if you want to keep this one going, reach the anchor point and take it backwards. What I'm concerned with is keep the fingers clasped behind the back. All right, rewind it again and again. Finally, we've made it to progression 3, pocket walks. Full commitment. Standing close to the anchor point. Coming up, taking a breath before you go. Committing the hands to the pocket. Moving forward. Notice the left and right movement. Trying to combat that or fight that by lifting up. Engaging the core. Moving across the line. Slow and steady. If you want a major challenge here, once you've reached the anchor point, instead of going backwards, turn around and walk back. See if I can do it. Keep the hands in the pocket. Woo-hoo. Keep training. Send us videos. Peace, SLACKROBATS.